Here we come to the elevator at the Texas Union at University of Texas at Austin in Austin, Texas. This is a Montgomery Kone with innovation security fixtures. Oh, I love that mechanical chime. Wow, it's tall too. Montgomery, actually. I'm not going to do the other elevator because it's nothing so exciting. Let's see how well we're able to hear the motor. Epic. What an epic motor that is. Throw close button works. I love that. I love that motor starting up. Look how tall this thing is. Very high ceiling, but with a standard door. A standard door height, but my gosh, I love that motor. Especially that startup. Oh man, that sounds breathtaking. If I only wish the fan was not on, but despite the fan still being on, my goodness, that motor, that is quite a startup. I'm telling you right now. The hills are alive with the sound of a motor. I mean, the hills are alive with the sound of an epic motor. My gosh. Wow. That motor is just a soothing musical sound to my ears. Oh my goodness. I really love this elevator. There's another elevator that has the, I can't remember, it's got Innovation Bruiser or EPCO SSL, but whatever it is, I'm not gonna do that one. I think I'm gonna do one more ride. Actually, I wanna go outside and ring the bell. Some activity's going on. Sounded like a Dover. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. hook up horns with an epic motor. Oh, looks like somebody called it, so looks like this is a good time for me to end the video.
Yeah, I'm going up.
Oh, are you going up?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll bring it back up.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. All right, this lady is gonna need to use the elevator, so I'm gonna send it back up to 3. I'm sure the elevator car will go back up. But anyways, man, I really love that motor on this elevator. So that being said, there it goes. And that's it.